we said must be consistently fought, because anytime you don't fight it, it means that you will never graduate. They can bring it at any time. Imagine a comrade who graduates, gets a job at 50,000 Kenya shillings. That comrade pays an income tax of around 30%, Your Excellency. That amounts to 15,000 per month. Then 15,000, what are you remaining with? 35,000. Because it is your parent who took care of you, you have to send them something in the village. How much out of the 35,000 do you think you can send to your parent? Say, housing levy is taken, SHA is taken. Now we are, and then there's VAT, which means the government has already taken half of your salary. Whatever is remaining, you send around 5,000 to your parent, which means that on a monthly basis, you will have only around 20,000, between 10 to 20,000. So the government is charging you for education, yet they tax you most out of your salary. So should the government make education free or not? Who is the greatest beneficiary of a comrade going to the university? It is not even you, it is the government. Therefore, the government must prioritize education and ensure that education is free of charge. Comrades, power! Comrades, Ria! Comrades, Tibim! Comrades, Tialala! As I finish, comrades, we want you to register. Every comrade who is in Nairobi, every comrade who is looking at us, you must register as a voter. You must register as a voter, so that in the end, we have here Stephen Kalonzo, Usioka. Is the juice not worth the squeeze? Is the juice not worth the squeeze? You know, in 2020, people turned out from in the United States of America. When Trump was serving his first term, they didn't go to vote in Biden. They went to vote out Trump. In 2020, in 2002 in Kenya, people went to vote out Moi. They did not go to vote in Kibaki. In 2027, Kalonzo ametosha hajatosha. Kama alikuwa Azimio, Kalonzo alikuwa mzuri. Saizi kama Kalonzo ako opposition, sasa Kalonzo ni mbaya. Kalonzo amekosa nini so far? Amekosa nini so far? Ati tukisema pia Kalonzo tosha, ati Babu ni mbaya. Mbaya what? Comrades, will you accept this? Huyu Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka tulienda na yeye presidential campaigns na hakupewa chochote. Hata deputy president hakukuwa. Ametosha hajatosha. Kwa hivyo you must register as a voter so that we disappoint Ruto and appoint who? We disappoint Ruto and appoint who? Because Ruto is busy antagonizing this country instead of organizing it. Comrade, power! Asante.
Babu sema one time. Babu sema one time. Asante. Babu transact. It's okay. Wacha niwapatie the leader. Babu will say, we are here doing a very serious thing. We are transforming the political leadership of this country forever. And it started with the Gen Z. And as I say, those young people are still angry. And here, they are tribalists. All of you here are from every community in the country, correct? So we must maintain it that way. This is why we're giving you the patriotic front. Babu, kama hawataki yale ambayo nazungumza kule. You know you are technically in Azimio. Yes. Robert Mbui is your leader. Yes. Kama mnaona kuko mmechanganyikiwa, ingieni patriotic front tumalize hii kazi. And I actually say we are about to amend our party's constitution. Sikiza bana. Ngoja bana. Ngoja bana. Ngoja bwana. Sikiza. Wewe nyamaza bwana. Tumekusikia kutosha my friend. Well done. Fever. We are saying, on a serious note, we are transforming this country's leadership forever. And when, unajua kawaida ilikuwa bunge inakuja inavunjiliwa mbali. Now parliament has continued, but I'm seeing a stampede out of Kenya kuisha, KK. They are going to run out. Wote tunawakaribisheni. How I wish, Babu Owino, we are amending our party's constitution to make it like ODM. There'll be a party leader. There'll be 4 deputy party leaders. I would have wished to give Babu Owino 1 deputy party leadership.